Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world. As you can see, one gentleman. In Toastmaster Fraternity, everyone knows about this guy. Mohammed Qahtani, Toastmaster, World Champion of Public Speaking 2015. I would request him to just share some tips for the people who are aspiring Toastmasters, aspiring public speakers, aspiring World Champion of Public Speaking. Mr. Mohammed,
Yes.
thank you so much for your time. I
Thank you so
appreciate
much for having me.
And please tell us, first of all, Toastmaster Fraternity is listening to you. What tips do you have for people who are aspiring to become public speakers or world champion of public speaking? Please.
Well, honestly, when it comes to speaking, a lot of people, and that's a big mistake that which a lot of people might do, is they worry about themselves as speakers rather than what the audience are just gonna get. Every time you take the stage, always put in mind that your audience comes first, then you come in second. Speak from the heart. Speak about something that you're really passionate about and something that you really just strongly. I'm strongly just believe in.
Okay.
If you take the stage with the thought in your mind that I really hope that someone out there takes what I said and change their life to the best, then the audience would love whatever you say. I always give this tip to people who ask me for one last tip before they take the stage, and I always give them this tip, which is every time you take the stage, imagine and believe that after you speak and you come down from the stage, that you're gonna die.
Wow.
And this is the last thing that you're gonna say. And then ask yourself this question: is it worth saying? And if it is, how would you say it?
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Mohammed. I really appreciate, and I wish you more success in your life.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for giving tips to the people who are aspiring Toastmasters, aspiring public speakers, and aspiring world champion of public speaking.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
for
Very
having me.
nice meeting you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.